broken sunflower scooped out of the mud. I was a sky blue vase that fell in love. You would always look outside and talk about the day. You explained how you needed the sun and rain, and how the seasons would take you away. But I have enough water to last you every day, and a coil of light can be your sun. You don't have to talk that way. The flowers smiled with tears and said, "You've made me feel beautiful again." And I don't want to hurt you, but I will in the end. Not even 2 weeks and the flower was left looking down. I finally said, "You've made me feel real," and I managed to get a smile. The flowers said, "I will be leaving you soon." I said, "I wish I was a flower so I could wither